Let's see how we can also use the u substitution for this integral. And this way, we don't need to expand the 1 plus 2y to the second power. Just in case, maybe sometimes you have the 5th power, the 8th power, you totally don't want to do that, right? So u substitution, I think, will be easier. Anyways, as you can see in this integral, the 1 plus 2y in the parentheses, that will be a good choice for u. We begin by saying u equals to 1 plus 2y. And we can look at this equation and differentiate both sides. We will get du equals to derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of plus 2y is just 2. And we have the dy, because technically we are talking about differentials. And originally we have the dy, so we have to look at this equation and isolate the dy. We can easily do that by dividing the 2 on both sides. In another word, we are saying dy will be du over 2, just like that. And now let me take this integral into the u world, and let me write down the integral sign first. As we can see, we have the 1 plus 2y, but in this case right here, in the u world, that's just u, because we said so. So we will first have u, that's u, to the second power, and originally we have dy, but dy in the u world is du over 2. So I will have du over 2 on the side. And now we have to think about what this number should be. Originally, we have 1 to 2. However, these two numbers are in terms of y, right? Because they are still in the y world. What we are saying is y is equal to 1 up to y is equal to 2. But then we don't want y in the u world for this integral. However, we know that the connection of y and u is equal to 1 plus 2y. If we know y is equal to 1, what do we need to do? We can just plug in 1 into here, and then we can calculate the u value. In another word, we know that u will be 1 plus 2 times y is equal to 1. So we have the 1 right here, and of course we can just work this out. 1 plus 2 times 1, you do 2 times 1 first, which is 2 plus 1, which is 3. So you have 3 for the lower limit. And this right here, it's the u value. And then we are going to do the same for the top number right here. Y is equal to 2. If y is equal to 2, we know u will be 1 plus 2 times 2. And of course, we can work this out. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1, we have 5. So in the u world, we have the integral going from 3 to 5. This is u is equal to 5. So this is what we have. And now we are ready to integrate. But before that, maybe we can look at this. This is du over 2. So I can take the 1/2 to the front of the integral, because that's just a number, so we can do that. This integral, I take the 1/2 to the front, and we have 3 to 5 in terms of u. And we have the u to the second power du. And now we can look at this part right here and then do the integration. I can just add 1 to the exponent. 2 plus 1 is 3, and then we divide it by the new exponent. We divide it by 3. Okay, so we have 1/2, and the 2 is on the denominator. The 3 is also on the denominator. So altogether we have 6. On the top is u to the third power, 2 times 3 on the bottom, which is 6. And this right here, it's the antiderivative for that. And we just have to plug in 3 to 5. Once again, this right here are in terms of u. U is equal to 3 to u is equal to 5. And now I just have to plug in the 5 first. We have 5 to the third power over 6. And then we subtract, plugging 3 into the u. We have 3 to the third power right here over 6. And now the rest is just, work out the fractions. So this is going to be 125 over 6 minus 3 to the third power. 3 to the third power is not 9, it's 27 over 6. Anyways, you subtract on the top, so 125 minus 27, you get 98 over 6. And please reduce fractions. 98 over 6, we know this should be 49 over 3. And it's the same answer as we got earlier. That's it.